Hello. In this video series, we essentially have two topics to cover. First, requirements basics, where we'll mainly discuss about what a requirement is and what types should we deal with. And in the second part, we'll be talking about elicitation or requirements gathering, information gathering from different sources, and mainly from various stakeholders. Right? So before we go into the content, let me again put this particular module in the perspective of business analysis knowledge areas. Basically here, with the first part, what is a requirement and what types available, we're dealing with the requirements analysis, design and definition knowledge area mostly, and requirements lifecycle management. It is requirements basic, obviously anything related to requirements it should be related to. And in the second part, elicitation. Elicitation has its own knowledge area. This also shows how important it is eliciting or finding the right people to communicate and keeping that communication running and really effective communication among the stakeholders or between BA, business analysts, and the stakeholders is at most important. So what we're going to cover, we'll discuss about what requirements is and what requirements types are. And we'll also show why we need the requirements, again, why they are so important in the development life cycle, and then we'll switch to the second part about elicitation. We'll just give an overview in Module 4, elicitation best practices. We will mention about what type of, we'll be talking about 3 best practices, and then we'll have a series of 3, in fact, videos about elicitation techniques, starting with those with, let's say, less about the requirements about user communications and moving towards those that require heavy interaction with the customer, with the users. Okay, so see you in the next video.